Hi all. So today we are going to look at how to use upper and lower case in case of Power Query, part of ETL. Right now in front of me, I have a section of array data in the Power Query editor. So this is a query by the name sheet1. Now I need only one column. So what I'll do is I'll select origin, right click, remove other columns. Now my requirement is that in this column, I want to convert everything to lowercase. So what I'll do is go to format. Okay, so this is transform. This will transform within the same column. So everything has been converted to lowercase as I see. I'll just remove this in applied steps. Now there is another way I can do this. So what I'll do is I'll go to column from examples. If there is one column, it doesn't matter from all columns of selection. So what I'll do is I'll type Europe in lowercase. So what it does is it recognizes the logic that I want to convert everything to lowercase. Now, if I click on OK, so I get a new column. This has not been done in the same column. This has been done in a separate. So these are the two methods by which I can convert my data into lowercase. Same way, if I want to convert everything into uppercase, firstly, I'll do it within the same column, transform, format, uppercase. So everything within that region column has now been converted to uppercase. I'll just remove this as part of applied steps. Now, if I want to do it in a separate column, add column, column from examples, from all columns, again, I'll select. This time I'll write Europe in uppercase. Now, if I put in enter, everything that I see within the uppercase column is into capital letters. Click on OK. So system recognize the logic, and I have a column with the regions in uppercase. So these are the two methods by which I can convert all the entities in a column to lowercase and uppercase. One is transforming within the same column. Second is I do it in a separate. I hope this was helpful. Thank you guys for your time.